Welcome to today's video, Breastfeeding Moms. Did you know you can make your pumping journey more eco-friendly? In this video, I'll guide you through sustainable breast pump essentials, from reusable storage solutions to green cleaning methods. Stick around for a bonus tip on extending the life of your pump and accessories. If you're passionate about sustainability, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with other eco-conscious moms. Let's start with selecting an eco-friendly breast pump. Electric pumps with energy efficiency. Look for pumps labeled energy efficient or ones with rechargeable batteries to reduce power consumption. Manual pumps. These are perfect for occasional use and don't require electricity, making them an eco-friendly option. Buy pre-owned or rent. Many hospitals and organizations offer rental programs. Buying secondhand pumps is also a great way to reduce waste. Just be sure to replace personal use parts like tubing and flanges. Pro tip: check with local breastfeeding groups or online marketplaces for pre-loved pumps in good condition. If you've used a rental or secondhand pump, share your experience in the comments. Milk storage doesn't have to involve disposable plastic bags. Here are some greener options. Glass containers. Sterilized glass jars or bottles are perfect for storing milk in the fridge or freezer. Silicone bags. Reusable silicone storage bags are durable, leak-proof, and safe for freezing. Upcycle containers. Use sterilized food-grade containers like small mason jars for short-term storage. Pro tip: freeze milk flat in silicone bags to save space and make thawing easier. Let me know in the comments if you've switched to reusable storage. Proper cleaning of pump parts is essential, but it can also be sustainable. Eco-friendly cleaning products. Use plant-based, biodegradable soaps that are safe for baby products. Silicone brushes. Replace disposable sponges with durable, reusable silicone cleaning brushes. Steam sterilization. Opt for an electric sterilizer or use a pot of boiling water instead of disposable sterilizer bags. Pro tip: air dry pump parts on a clean, reusable dish towel instead of single-use paper towels. Hit the thumbs up button if you're loving these sustainable tips. Here's how to make your pumping accessories last longer and reduce waste. Replace parts when necessary. Check valves, membranes, and tubing regularly and replace only when worn out. DIY pump bag. Upcycle a tote bag or backpack to carry your pump and accessories instead of buying a new bag. Battery alternatives. For pumps with batteries, invest in rechargeable ones to minimize waste from disposables. Pro tip: keep a small repair kit with extra O-rings and tubing to extend the life of your pump. Let me know in the comments how you maintain your pump sustainably. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Extend the life of your pump by storing it in a cool, dry place and cleaning it thoroughly after each use. Proper care ensures you'll get the most out of your investment. Thank you for watching this guide on pumping green with sustainable breast pump essentials. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow moms who are looking to go green. What's your favorite eco-friendly pumping hack? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to feature your tips in a future video. You're doing an amazing job, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy pumping!